going to show you a recipe on how to make a chocolate cake. Good morning, my name is Aileen Camaño. I'm 12 years old. I'm in 7th grade at Paideia School in Puerto Montt. Today I'm going to show you a recipe on how to make a chocolate cake. 2/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 cup milk, 2 large eggs, half cup melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking powder. 3. In another bowl, whisk together milk, eggs, and melted butter. 4. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until smooth. 5. Add vanilla extract and mix well. 6. Pour the butter into a greased cake pan. 7. Bake for 30 and 35 minutes or until a toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. 8. Let cool before serving. Chocolate glaze optional. 3. 5 ounces dark chocolate. 1/4 cup butter. Melt chocolate and butter in a double boiler or in the microwave in 30 seconds increments, stirring between each interval. Pour over cooled cake. Enjoy! Your delicious chocolate cake is now ready to be devoured.